Hello guys, today we learn about arrays in C++. An array is a linear data structure that stores a fixed size collection of elements of the same data type in contiguous memory locations. Think of a hotel where every room is exactly the same size and every guest belonging to the same tour group. If the tour group starts at room 101, the next guest is guaranteed to be in 102, then 103 and so on. You don't have to search the whole hotel, you just need the starting point and the room number. If you declare an array of size 5 and an integer takes 4 bytes, the system carves out 20 bytes back-to-back memory. The location is the very first element, this is index of 0. This is how the computer finds array of I in constant time of big O of 1. So I have created a formula to find array address. The address of array of I equal to base address plus I into size of data type. So there are some characteristics of array. This is you cannot store a string in an integer array. They must be siblings of the same data type. Once declared, you cannot stretch an array. If you need more space, you must create a new larger array and copy the old elements over. Because of the indexing formula above, you can jump to 100th element just as fast as the first element. So there are some basic operations and time complexity of an array is to access an array. Their direct calculation using index is time complexity is big O of 1. To search in an array, we can search in an unsorted array. We might check every element first. So their time complexity is big O of n. In insertion operation, adding the starts requires shifting all other elements in array one by one. So in insertion operation, time complexity is big O of n. In deletion operation, removing an element requires closing the gap by shifting elements. This time complexity is big O of n. So why we use array in our daily lives in programming? So there are some advantages and disadvantages there. So the advantages is this is the fastest data structure for accessing data if you know the index. No extra metadata is needed, unlike linked list which need pointers to the next item. So there are some disadvantages. If you declare a size of 100 but only use 10 to 90 slots of memory, so 90 slots of memory are locked away and wasted. Inserting an element in the middle is so expensive because you have to manually move everything else to the right. So this is the whole about array, and in this program how we can declare an array in C++. So firstly, has include diastream is a header file which is used to print and scan data in a C++ program. Uh, and we start a C++ program using int main, and under this int main we can write our whole program. So I have declared a integer array of size 5. I I store some values in there 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So using for loop we can access our array. Like I have declared an for loop using I variable. So I have declared it I from 0 to less than 5, means it goes to 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I plus plus means it is increased just by 1. And I have printed array of I, means it is when its index is 0, it prints the 0th element. When its index is first 1, it's print the first element, like this and so on. And in return 0, we have to return something in int main. So this is all about the arrays. Thank you.